Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Odette. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, my friends, I'm going to show you guys my skincare routine. Now, I tend to change up my skincare routine all the time because I always incorporate new products into my skincare. And my skin is not perfect by any means, but I really like the way my skin is looking. And I don't have any makeup or any product on my face. I just did my eyebrows so I can look a little half decent in this video, okay? So I'm just going to show you a few steps. So I tend to change up my skincare routine products all the time. Fall, winter, spring, summer is obviously different because the products that I'm going to be using fall, winter, I will not use in the summertime because my skin has a lot more moisture from the sun. So the first thing I do is I go in with my number 7. This is the Early Defense Glowing Healthier Skin. This is a serum. And we all know that when you start your skincare preps, your serums goes on first. And it is a white consistency. I hope you guys can see that. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my face. So I just like to go in just here and there. Okay. And I'm just going to use my hands. And I'm just going to blend that in. And I always use like gentle... like really gentle strokes on my face because you don't want to be pulling and tugging, especially like under the eyes. And sometimes I always go in with a bit of a tapping motion as well. And this is just my first step to my skincare routine. And you always have to avoid the eye area, okay? That is my first step. And this is a really good serum from number 7. As a matter of fact, I really do think that their products are really underrated because I think the number 7 is a really good line. So next I'm going to use this product from Clarins. This is called Clear Out. I'm going to link everything in the description box for you guys. And this product really targets imperfection. So this goes on next. I'm just going to squeeze this out. Just a little bit there. And again, white consistency. And I'm going to just put this where I feel like I've got some dark spots here and there. It's almost finished, that's why I'm actually squeezing it like this. And probably just on my forehead. And I'm just going to use some circular motion. And I'm going to blend that in. And it dries down pretty much quickly. Really nice product. So next I'm going to go in with The Ordinary. I love this serum as well. And this really helps to minimize pores. And this is what the product looks like. Okay. So I put a little drop right here. And I'm going to put a little bit right here. I'm going to put the rest on my finger. And I'm just going to put some on my cheeks. And I'm going to blend that in. This is such a good product. It really does help to minimize your pores. And you need to put this on before your heavy creams. Great product from The Ordinary. It is a really good line. And of course I always tend to do a little bit of a tapping motion. Great product from The Ordinary. And it almost feels like you have a bit of a tackiness on the skin, but that's okay. But it feels really good. And I tend to, give myself a little bit of a massage just to help to bring the surface to the skin. So next I'm going to go in with my Vichy Lift Active Supreme. This is a day cream and I'm going to just show you guys exactly what that looks like. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. And I am going to use my makeup remover, or I can use like a little wand or something. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this off and I'm going to put it in the back of my hand, and a little bit is all you need. So now I'm really going in now to moisturize my skin. And obviously this is just a little bit too much, but I'm just going to put all of this on my face. And I'm just going to massage this in. This product makes your skin so buttery soft. Oh my God, it is so good. So next I'm gonna go in with my face massager. I got this from Amazon. This is what this product looks like. You guys have seen this before. And Tracee Ellis Ross uses this product. It's just turned on and off. And I am just now gonna go in and I'm just going to massage my face, and I'm gonna do gently on this bone up this way. And I'm just gonna do this for a few minutes because I'm looking for a little bit of a lift. Now this gives you such a wonderful massage and very, very gentle on the face. I'm going to link this in the description box for you guys. So next I'm going to go in with my moisturizer, and this is an almond moisturizer from Neil Yard's Remedies. You guys have seen this product before. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, let me just bring this close so you can see. Okay, there it is. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of this, just a little bit in my hand, just like so. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to massage. So we're looking for hydration and we're looking for moisturization at the same time. And then I always massage up. My skin feels so good with all of these products. Now, this is an elixir from Claudali. This is what this product looks like. Okay, and this product really helps to just bring your skin alive. So I'm just gonna put a little spritz of this on my face. And it smells wonderful. So you don't have to do anything with this. You can just blend this in. And it works right into your skin. Amazing. Just a little tap here and there just to get the blood flow. Just under the eyes, just in the corner. And so the last step is, just before I put any sort of a color corrector on my face, this is from number 7, and this is the Skin Illuminator. It's hypoallergenic and it gives your skin such a lovely glow. So I put a little bit of this on my skin, and it really helps to give you sort of a glowing look just before you put your, like I said, your correctors on. And then, you know, I just go in and I blend that in. Do you see the glow on my forehead? It gives you such a wonderful glow. Beautiful, beautiful product. This gives you such a beautiful beach glow. It is just amazing. And all of these products work really, really well together. No irritation in your skin, no pushbacks, nothing like that. I mean, my skin feels so good right now. And of course, I'm just gonna go in with some lip balm. So this is it for this skincare prep. My skin feels so good right now. It feels so buttery and baby soft. No dryness, no pulling, no tugging, no stickiness, no tackiness, nothing. All of these products work well together and they complement each other. I do have some hydration in my skin and I have some moisturization in my skin as well. It's also important that you incorporate a massager into your skincare routine, which really helps to detox your skin, number one, and helps to rejuvenate your skin and bring that blood flow to the skin. It's really, really important that you do that. And of course, you have to buy the products and use them according to your skincare needs, because I have oily skin and these products works really, really well for me. And like I said earlier, I tend to change up my skincare routine all the time. So all of these products will be left in the description box for you guys, and I do hope you enjoyed this video today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.